welcome back to my channel. This is Nicole with Made from Scrap, and today I have my next design team package to share with you all from Country Craft Creations. I am going to get a chance to play with the collection that is from Fancy Pants Designs, and this is called Hallows Eve. So this is a beautiful collection that has teal in it, and dark teal. It's one of my favorite colors, and I get to play with this. So look at these beautiful designs. On the back side of this sheet, I'm going to do a quick flip through, is this, and you get to see all of this lovely collage here for Ghost Party. Isn't that pretty? Look at the green. I love that green. Okay, and then on the next sheet we have these two. So you have this beautiful orange and the light teal color, almost like a seafoam green maybe. And then on the back side is this awesome sheet with the spiderweb here. You get these frame pieces and just these ornate detail portions on this sheet. So really cool. Next sheet is this gray on gray tone, and it has the moths here, some florals in it. You see the moons and the stars. Really cool, right? A little bit of white text on it. And then on the back side of that is either cut aparts or collage, either way. You can use this. So look at all these little vintage posters and signs. Isn't that cool? Yes, yes, yes. Next sheet is this stripe with, it is more really like a really light gray with a texture onto it. So let me see if you can kind of see a little bit of that texture. It's real faint. And then you have the black stripe and then the text underneath. So real cool. And on the back side of that, you have this additional collage piece. Look at the Skelly. Isn't he cool? Now, frogs are not my favorite, and definitely spiders, no. But for Halloween, yes, please. So you see all these bats? Look at the fine detail on that. Oh, yeah. So that was the back side of that one. And then you have all these fun Halloween festive face masks. Isn't this awesome? The jack-o'-lantern there. I love the kitty cats. The look on them. So cool. So cool. Backside of that one is this kind of gray-green on green tone, and you have a little bit of text in white, so it's this floral pattern. Very pretty. And then we have some My Colors cardstock. This is Carrot Stick, I believe. Yep, Carrot Stick. I got 2 sheets of that, and it is a shimmer to it. Then we have these 2 sheets, which is Celery, and these are the flat green color there. It's going to go beautiful with this collection. And then we have 2 sheets of this one, also a shimmer, and it is called Black Bear. Yes, Black Bear. Then I have a clear acetate sheet to play with, and I have 2 heavyweight chipboard pieces, 12 by 12. So those are going to be the project collection pack for the papers. And then together with the papers, I get to play with, let me turn this one around because I just love this sheet. I get to play with a couple of add-on things. So first is the ephemera piece, and this is the Hallows Eve ephemera pack. It has 124 pieces in it. It is a beautiful collection of little odds and ends, bits and bobs to use, and we'll be playing with that. How fun to match the collection. Oop, I already have a couple falling out. No. Let me put that back in. That's because I mangled the package earlier. And then I have this sticker sheet. So there's 84 pieces to this sticker sheet, and look how beautiful these images are. Look how pretty. Pretty. Isn't that going to be fun? Yep, that's going to be fun. And then I also have the foam stickers here, so 80 pieces. So lots of stickers available to use between the ephemera and the stickers, and then the puffy stickers, the foam stickers, that is. That is super fun. Awesome, right? Okay, that's not all, people. That's not all. I also received Fancy Pants Design Craft Dome. This is the dome here, and you'll see it's 2 pieces. And it measures at the base, the diameter down here measures 4 inches, and the height of this dome measures about 5.5 inches tall, including the base. You have this nice rimmed piece inside of the wood piece, and you can hear it's solid. And then this is a heavy-duty plastic, so that's good because the grandkids running around, right? So that's going to be super fun to play with. And then I have a couple other foundation pieces to play with. We have the Accordion Folio, that is the Idea-ology. So this is a piece, if you're not familiar with these and you want to make a quick project, this is how to do it, because you can have a lot of fun. The base is already made for you. It is like a manila type of thickness to it, manila folder type, and in color as well. So it's already folded for you. It has score lines and everything. It comes in this package about 4.5 inches in width and 6 inches tall, which is a very nice size, but it already has score lines, so you can make this into different thickness right there, like that, just by folding, scoring, burnishing. You have these flaps on either side, so you can have either a flap or you can make it into pockets. You have this flap here in the center that comes down that you can attach to, or you can make that into a pocket. And then you have this piece that can either be attached or pull out, and it's just this accordion piece, but it is cut at the angle, so you have this nice zigzag pattern, and that can fit right in the middle there. And then it just folds up, and you have this lovely tie. And like I said, it is fun because all you have to do is start decorating. So that's really cool. That's the Accordion Folio. That's the Tim Holtz Idea-ology. I have a couple other Idea-ology pieces. I have the file cards here. So same type of material, but we have some of these policy type of envelopes that are already done. So we have 4 of those, really stiff and sturdy. You can hear that. And then it comes with cards that are already folded for you and able to stick right in there. And then we have, in addition to that, so we have those, we have these files that are already with the tabs on it. So how cool is that? Again, ready to decorate, have fun, play with your paper, because isn't that the part that we like the best, all the decorating? I know it is for me. So we can get right into that. Couple other things that we have, some additional Idea-ology pieces. I'm going to get a chance to play with the Adornments spiders and branches. I had to open some up because this package was way too shiny, but I wanted you to be able to see the dimension on this. I don't know if you can tell, but it is a metal piece, so it has a beautiful look to it. And then the veining even on the leaves there. And then you have the spiders, and the spiders even have a little, what do you call that? Like an eyelet at the top, so that you can maybe hang it from a chain. Let's see, maybe from a spider web. We will see, but that package comes with 8 pieces, 6 spiders, and 3 of the branches. So we'll put that back in there real quick. And then we have the skulls and bones, so you can see these cool skulls. Let's take a look at these. Look at these. These measure about 1 inch tall, right? And isn't that creepy? About 5/8 inches in width. And look at the dimension on this thing. Isn't that crazy? I mean, that's going to be super fun. And then of course we have the bones to play around with as well. So we're going to have a lot of fun with that. And then a couple more things, people. We have this little embellishment box, and this is going to be super fun. This fall and Halloween assortment. So I did go ahead and cut that open. We have a fall piece together here. And look at those colors. Look at the sparkle that's in there. Isn't that cool? Those little pieces. You got a mix of diamond dots and little shaker bits, like sprinkles. Then you have the traditional fall, little yellow leaves and a little bit of orange diamond dots. Let me not throw those around. Okay. And clear diamond dots there. Gemmies. You have this mix, which is more like a new Halloween mix because it has purple in it and yellow and orange and black. Very fun. Silver. So that's going to be a lot of fun. These are, I'm going to play with for days. I'm going to tell you. All these little sprinkle bits. Then we have the spiders and the clear diamond dots in there. Iridescent color that's in there. So that's going to be a lot of fun. We have the, let me just lift this up. We have here the candy corns, jack-o'-lanterns, sunflowers, and then we have some regular pumpkins for fall. We have this rust color diamond dots. We have the pale yellow diamond dots, black, and then the brighter orange kind of cantaloupe color right there. So those are going to be a lot of fun. Like I said, shakers for days. Buttons galore and more. We have this Halloween collection of these Gone Batty. These are so adorable. I see two different types of bats in that package, because they have this one right here, this thin one, and then you have this chunky monkey one right there that is adorable. And then I have, last but not least, some jute, and this is a teal jute is what it's called. I think it's more of like a forest green color, so it's really going to go well with this paper collection though. And then I have the yellow ball is what it's called on my sheet, but you can see this ribbon that has that attachment on it for the embellishing. And then last but not least, this beautiful ribbon that has silver on one side and black on the other. That is just going to be gorgeous. So wow, what a design team package. Loving it, loving it, loving it, loving it. This is going to be so much fun to put together all these fun projects. And I don't know why I have this black circle there, but you know, it's going to be so much fun. I hope you join me soon and looking at some of the projects that I got to get working on. And make sure you check out countrycraftcreations.com for all your scrapbooking, fun paper, and other needs. And make sure to check out and support the other design team members for Country Craft Creations as well. Okay, thanks for joining me, everybody. And until next time, happy crafting, you all. Goodbye.